Oh, damn it. Hello.
Amazon Prime Day starts July 16th. It's an
damn ads. Okay, so today we are going to go on a fun adventure where I just do some work getting ready for the talk at JupyterCon, and this is just going to be more playing around with Apache Spark. We're going to be using dataproc, and yeah, should be fun. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and switch into... Oh, I'm going to update the what we're working on thing, and it'll just be ASF diversity info with dataproc. PySpark on dataproc, and I just put this little text file, reviewinfo.txt. Switch to live mode. Yay! We can see every time I reboot, this thing decides it wants to do something different with my camera. So that is one of the many things which I should fix, but probably will not anytime soon. But that's okay. We're going to go ahead and jump into this. So I have a already running cluster, and it looks like my connection to the cluster is not working. So I'm going to go ahead and restart my VPN. Oh, and this is actually on my list of things to do, which is updating the scripts that I use for the VPN so other folks can use them more easily. I'll do that if we get some spare time today, while we're blocked on something else maybe. So we're going to go ahead and open up this running notebook. It is connected to my cluster, and let's see where we left off. So one of the things that I've changed this time from last time is the success files. For some reason I had this so that it checked for the directory. That's not exactly what we want. We actually really wanted to just check for the presence of success.txt or _success to indicate that this stage had been fully completed. And this is because if the kernel stops, it might have created the directory, but the output wouldn't be valid, and so we wouldn't want to load it back in, which is what we do if we find the success file. And if it's not found, if the success files aren't found, we just save back over them, and we do this in overwrite mode. So if there is something in that directory, we'll overwrite it. Could be bad if you give it the wrong path, but don't do that, I guess, is the short version. So let's scroll down and see where this notebook left off. Okay, looks like it's got through a lot. We're gonna keep going. Keep going on that. Okay. Okay. Oh, actually, it looks like it may actually be all the way down at the bottom. That would be amazing. Nope. Okay. Interesting. Oh, okay. Cool. So the sampled authors save was a little screwed up. That shouldn't have been as a CSV because of the data type that we put in it. So we're going to go ahead and save it as Parquet, I guess. So let's go ahead and make this sampled authors 2. Sampled authors, show, cool. Sampled authors save count. Alright, that could take a while. But this gives us, oh damn it, I didn't want to rerun this just yet. But if we look here, we can see we've got some email addresses and the author. And so what we want to do is, because we're trying to collect information about the gender diversity of the people, the way that we're going to try and figure out what the gender of a contributor to a project is oh hey look, there's questions. I just scraped 990 Steam pages. Cool, that's awesome. That's really cool. Yeah. Beautiful Soup's really great for parsing things. We're not parsing stuff from the web here. We're hitting some different APIs. We're mostly focused on hitting, well, not different APIs. Sorry, we're loading mailing list data, and that's in a format called mbox, and this is yeah, and so I guess this is the generic term, but it's essentially we can just download all of the emails to the mailing lists. We can parse them. The other one that we're doing is we're just looking at Git data, which we can just use the Git APIs to look at for a given project. Steam API really sucks. Yeah. I mean, I've never used the Steam APIs myself, but I could totally see them being frustrating to work with. Oh, weird. This sampled author list is really small. Does that seem right? Let's actually, yeah, wait, this is tiny. This is only 252. That seems much smaller than I would have expected. Did some data get lost along the way? So it's saying there's only 630 active authors. That seems low. If we look up here, it's saying that there are only I mean, it says 2,439. That's not a bad sample size. Huh. I mean, yeah, wait, this doesn't, I remember these being higher numbers. I'm gonna go and jump into, there's a previous version of this notebook in version control. I'm just gonna go take a look at this really quickly. Because it's possible that my memory is just a little off. Does this look right? This looks right. This looks similar. Okay, distinct authors was 20,000. Let's jump back in here. Look at the number of distinct authors, and if that's also 20,000, then my memory is just a little off, which is always possible. Authors group by ID is... This is saying authors group by ID is only 2,924. That seems really low. I think this is off. Damn it, I was hoping to do something more fun. So let's go ahead and find where I did this. Yeah, that's some long YouTube link. Let's go ahead and find authors group ID saved. Oh, actually, okay. Distinct authors with GitHub. Sorry, this is a little all over the place. So one of the things that I thought is that the number of unique email addresses that we saw might sort of been overcounting the number of contributors, because I myself have changed email addresses a few times, but they're all associated with my same GitHub account. So I was thinking we might be able to decrease the number of users there. But I'm worried that I may have accidentally screwed up and collapsed a whole bunch of users into one record, just sort of based on that. So let's go ahead and we did save. I want to debug this a little bit though. Let's go ahead and do show. Insert cell below. Yeah. I mean, it looks like... Oh, okay, new unique ID is blank here. Wait. That's not good. Let's go take a look at how we are making the IDs. Oh, crap. Yeah, don't worry about that. So my guess is this grouped all of the non-GitHub users into one user, which is why this the counts went down so drastically, and why the numbers are a little off. So, oh crap. Yeah, okay, so this is the problem. I was using this is not null check here, which is totally the right check and you would normally use it, except there's a bug with the pandas UDFs in Spark 2.3 with nulls being returned. So we're actually not returning nulls, we're returning an empty string. So this makes sense. So we have to change this condition, and that makes a lot more sense. So let's go ahead and do this. I think that will work. I might have to use an f-dot function in there. And since I'm actually just debugging this right now, we're going to go ahead, insert cell below. Temporarily just going to do the show here for a second. Yeah, okay, so this now looks a lot more like what we would expect. So we can see here, you know, the new unique ID. This has resolved. These have resolved to GitHub IDs, which is what we would want. But you know, some of these people don't have corresponding GitHub IDs, and then we're using their full email address as their unique ID. So we can still deduplicate on this. So that's good. Fix that bug really quickly, and we're gonna go ahead, change this over, get rid of this. And okay, so now we probably need to run let's go ahead and take a look at the next place, which is using this. Okay. Okay, this is probably going to give us a pretty different count. This normally, so Spark is lazy, so even though when we ran it up top, it looked like it worked just fine, it's actually probably doing a job in the background for us right now. So if we call this count, it'll probably block, but the unique authors. So that's cool. Is this actually? So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to run everything below this. Run all below. And this will probably take a little bit of time. Oh crap, some of these things, I have that same hack in it that we're going to have to change. This is unfortunate. So I use this hack that we wrote earlier up above, where we were checking to see number, and then we will probably see a pretty different count required here. Yeah, okay, so 1,605 is more like what I would have expected. So that's cool. Figure out the samples. Oh, crap. Okay, we're gonna have to change this from a 2 to a 3 again. Okay. Yeah, that's looking a little better. And if we do the count on the sampled authors, this can take a while because this is going to force it to evaluate it. And when we do show, it only evaluates just enough to show us like 20 records. It doesn't evaluate the entire data set. But yeah, we can see that the data kind of looks like what we were expecting. Okay, cool. So 1,599 sampled authors, and this is the resulting schema. So for each sampled author, we want to sort of figure out how they're referred to in the project, right? Which pronouns they're referred with by people on the mailing list. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that part now. So sampled authors dot save, underscore saved. They could have multiple email addresses, and so we want to join this with the mailing list data. So I'm going to go up and find that data frame and get that schema just so that I can look at both of them side by side. Yeah, this looks right. Well, I'll put this one schema for here so I can just look at both of them. Insert cell below, and then we go ahead and we're going to do this. Dot join. Yeah, so actually there is another, well, yeah, so what I'm thinking about right now is that we also are interested in knowing the gender or perceived gender of people who are committers or PMC members on the open source projects. So we could go ahead and union them in, but if we did that with the sample, it would kind of inadvertently skew the sample. So we'll probably just produce two separate data sets. That being said, my memory of Spark SQL joins is always a little bit fuzzy, especially after a long day. And Yasik has a really lovely sort of quick summary here. So we're going to go and load Yasik's dataset join summary. And we are working in PySpark, and Yasik's examples are all in Scala, but that's totally okay. We can convert fairly easily. So we are going to do yeah, so we don't want quite equals. I'm trying to remember if we can do an in condition as part of a join or not. I think we can, but it might not behave super well. So we're going to do a join. We're going to try and write an expression here. Yeah. F.call project. Whoop. Project name. Well, okay. So the main thing that I want. Oh, actually, yeah. So reply -2. So let's go ahead, take a quick look at it. And just some other records really quickly. We're going to take a look at them. Okay. So we can see, damn it. The reply to is always listed as dev. So I can't go in. Drat. Or is it? Let's go ahead. Dot select body reply to. Yeah, okay. So reply to doesn't give me quite what I want. Oh yeah, reply to is where the reply to address should be sent to. I don't know why I thought this is what I wanted. Huh. This was interesting. Okay, let's go back in here and try and figure out what data it is that I want to extract. So insert cell below dot take insert cell below records. Okay, I don't want reply to. There's the message ID. What's the list post message ID? Message ID might give me threading. Yeah. Let's take a look at just one record at a time. Yeah. List unsubscribe. It's the return path. Okay, so that's the thread topic is useful, but then I'm gonna have to do something a little bit frustrating. We'll have to do this in multiple stages. Like, we'll have to figure out all of the emails that the person sent, and then we'll have to figure out which one of them have responses. Which isn't, I mean, that's quite alright. Is there like an in reply to field? SMTP in reply to. Oh, there might be. Let's go take a look at the in reply to header. That tells us the. That tells us the message ID. To header. So that being said, there's a few ways we could go about this. We could eagerly compute like another data frame of all of the messages with replies, but we're only going to really be interested in some of them. So let's do it that way. So mailing lists. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and in our post-process stuff down here where we're selecting just selective parts that we're interested in. We're going to swap reply to with something a little more useful to us. So we want to get both the message ID and if there is the presence of an in reply to, then we can make this happen. Okay. Of course, this requires that my computer is cooperating with me instead of just being annoying. Why isn't it letting me go into that cell? Oh, right. Damn it. I'm looking... I was looking in GitHub somehow. I don't know. Sometimes I clearly need more sleep. Okay. So, we're going to swap reply to for in reply to. This becomes in reply to. We are also interested in the message ID. So we're going to go ahead and get the message ID field out of it. Yeah. I kind of want to... This indentation is annoying. Let's go ahead and make this less frustrating to deal with. Yeah. So that changes the what we're going to extract. The other one, which one was message ID called? Okay, it's probably called message-id. Dot alias message ID. Okay, cool. Okay, I forgot a comma. And there's some extra spaces here that I really don't need. Cool. And we are going to update this. And yeah. So that could take a little while because it's going to reprocess all of the mailing list messages to extract the bits that we care about. Let's go ahead, message ID, and reply to show. Yeah, okay. And this part could block for a while because it's going it's going to compute some stuff for us. While this runs, my battery is showing not super great, and I'm not super sure where my charger is. So while this part runs, I'm going to go grab a charger really quickly, and I'll be right back. If you have any questions, just toss it in to Twitch or YouTube chat, and I'll read them when I get back. Oh wait, no, I know where my charger is now. I'm gonna grab my charger and a Red Bull really quickly because I like some. Oh, actually, it finished. I'm still gonna go grab my charger because I don't want my laptop to go offline. That would be slightly inconvenient. And I'm back with Red Bull and Fritos, because I visited my friend's office and we had a meeting, and they also had Fritos, and I'm hungry. Fritos. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Okay. This looks cool. We see there's a bunch of nulls, but there's also message IDs, and we see in reply to's exist, and they're present, so we probably extracted the right field because this looks like the right format. Ah. I mean, probably is not a great, sort of bar, but yeah, looks good. Okay. So we're going to go all the way back down to the bottom where we were doing our fun adventures. We have our sampled author data, and the sampled author data isn't pulled from the mailing list, it's pulled from GitHub. So the fact that I changed the mailing list data frame we don't have to worry about, but we'll go ahead. We'll get this schema. And so we're going to start with just trying to find all of the mailing list posts that any of our sampled authors have written. That seems like a good idea. Actually, we're going to go ahead now at this point, because our sample is... Well... I kind of want to do the union. We have this other data frame up here. If we go for a little while of committers, we probably want to do the same thing for committers. It's all the way up here somewhere. Okay. It's somewhere. Okay. This is all GitHub data. I guess that's the meetup data. Okay, this one is the ASF people data. We know what projects they're on. We could flip this around to get their email address. You know what? We'll come back to this part because it's not super exciting. And we can probably actually just handle them separately. That'll be fine. Probably rewrite some of the stuff into functions from cells so that we can apply it to both of these data frames in a little bit. But we'll get it working first, and then we'll refactor it in a little bit, because I'm a little fuzzy on how some of the stuff is going to work. So we're going to start with this drawing condition. We are interested in the ones where the project is equal Is that gonna work? No. Yeah. How do I get the... I don't want to do f.call. Is it .project? Oh, it's project name. Project name. Okay. Oh, okay, we can't. Column is not iterable. Oh, do I have to use the triple equals here? No, invalid syntax. Okay. Alright, let's okay, that does give me what I want. Yeah, it's a column. The name is project name. Why is this simple equality not being the super happy fun party that I want? Column is not iterable. Okay, so perhaps it just needs a list of join conditions. That seems plausible. Nope. Okay, let's go and look at the Python documentation rather than just depending on yeah, 6. Good. Alright. Oh, yeah, okay. Damn it. That's what I did. I put the condition first and I forgot my second data frame, which is why it was giving me error messages. That did not make a lot of sense. This is one of the things where we could improve stuff a lot in PySpark, where, you know, the error messages just aren't making sense. It's unfortunate. Okay, yeah. So this is part of it. I want to. Yeah, so we're gonna put our join conditions into an array. Conditions. Yeah. So our first one is that the project is the same. And the next one is going to be that the sampled authors, that, okay, the email address of the person who sent the message should be in. We're gonna have to use a f.in rather than Python in. And we're gonna go ahead and say that the email address there should be in sampled authors.saved emails. Emails, the emails. Let's see if this works. That's a no. Okay. We're going to go ahead and look in functions.py, and we're going to look for something that contains. Okay, yeah, array contains. Yeah, I don't know if it'll let us use this as a join condition. We might have to change it around a little bit. This is not super performant, or it might not be super performant. I guess we'll find out. So we'll do. Oh, okay, it's not dot from, it's dot Did I not extract? Damn it. I may not have extracted the from address. Project name, box type, mbox ID, backend name, backend version category. Origin? Is origin the same? I feel like it might be. No, okay, wait, no. From is in here. Oh, this is just nested, probably. Oh, god damn it. This schema is going to be annoying. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, wait, yeah, no, there's a pretty print. Let's just use that. Print schema. Fuck. Damn it, there is a pretty print. Dataframe.py. Print. Now it's camel case because it's based off of the Scala API. Okay. Wait, no, dot from is totally from the root. Why is this not liking my syntax? I'm confused. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Array contains. Fudge. Alright. So that's why. One sec. Well, no, that doesn't make sense. That shouldn't be giving us. I mean, this should still be not giving us a syntax error. It shouldn't be giving me a syntax error. Anyways, let's make this the letter A. Yeah, alright, wait. Okay. So the array contains checks for a specific value, not for a list of values. So that's not quite what I want. I want the version of in. I want def in. That's not quite what I. Oh wait, in stir. Spark SQL join condition array contains. Okay, yay, let's go take a look at this. Expert. Huh. That's weird. Array contains here is not super happy, but it claims it works. Let's go look in the Java version of functions.java. Okay. No, I want probably functions.scala inside of SQL. Okay. Array. No, that is cast to a literal. Huh. Literal type value, though. Well. Yeah. let's try it and see what happens. Which honestly is how I do a surprisingly large amount of software development. Okay. I assume this is a different one. Okay, def expr, yeah. Okay, f dot expr array contains okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and switch this to triple quote. Then we can triple quote here, and then we can single quote here, and it would be emails, and we want emails to contain the value of from. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, an error occurred. Oh, okay, well, I can't spell contains. Yeah, okay. Cannot resolve. Array contains emails from due to data type mismatch. Yeah, arguments must be an array followed by a value of the same type. So if we swap from for that, well, wait. Oh, yeah, okay, wait, why did... I don't know why I put quotes around these. Okay, let's run that. That worked? This is weird and confusing. I'm always upset when my software works unexpectedly. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and see if this actually gave us the result that we want. Oh, wait, no, I didn't assign this to a data frame. That's why. Posts by sampled authors. This could take a while to run because this join is less than great, possibly. But that actually looks promising. Oh, interesting. The from. Although that worked, that's really weird. I'm kind of surprised that this worked. Did this... Is this getting evaluated as a string? Huh. Okay. We're gonna do take 10, and I'm just gonna... Oh, damn it. I'm gonna poke at this a little bit. Okay. Cool. Interesting. Yeah, okay. So one of the things that I forgot to do is that people can definitely have like a bunch of extra information. So when I send an email, it gets sent from Holden Caro, Holden at pigskinfly.ca, or hcaro google.com. And the way that we're doing the join up above is requiring a string match. So because of this is only working for the times that the email is sent without the person's like name information attached to it. So we probably actually want to introduce another field into intermediate data frame. Or actually, we can just introduce it into the process data frame, which we're using here. So yeah, let's go ahead and make that happen. From email, from processed email. So let's go ahead and do that. Bloop, 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 bloop. And we have a UDF to just extract the emails. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that. I think this is true. Let's go ahead and just double check really quickly. That's what ends up in from. Yeah, so we can see here from has this person's name, and the way we're doing the join, we'd require that the name was an exact match. And since we've stripped it down to just the email, that's not going to give us what we want. So that's good to know. So we're going to go ahead here, and we're going to do a UDF on this. Dot alias from what the hell did I call it down here? Processed email. And we'll figure out what the UDF is going to be. I think we might have to move the UDF definition up a little bit, because I think I defined it. Oh no, maybe I didn't. It's like extract email or something like that. I don't remember what the UDF was called. Let's look for extract. Oh, cool! I called it extract email. So that's great. We'll do that. Scroll back down. Yeah. This is part of the reason why I don't really like notebooks. But admittedly, they're really nice for analytics work. So I get it. They just really don't jive with how I like to organize my code. So this is the mailing list data. Cool. And this is the UDF we're gonna use. Okay. Boop. Go ahead, swap this 2 for a 3. Cool. All the way down here in our join. And let's run .show and see if this gives us things that look more like what I'm expecting. Which is not a great debugging method, but works pretty okay. Sorry. Cool. This will take a bit of time, probably. So it's a good time for me to go ahead and check in on the comments on my other computer. No questions. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, that looks promising. This looks more like what I was expecting to see. So we've got the email, we've got the new unique ID, we've got the email, we have the author name, and then let's go ahead and just pull some things out. Dot select emails, message ID, body, and from, as well as from processed email. Okay. And we'll go ahead and call show on this. Yeah, cool. So that looks good, right? Because we wouldn't have found this email if we hadn't had that processing happen. So that's good. We can see that it's doing what we want it to do. Okay, cool. Now we have post sampled by authors. We're getting the message IDs out. And so we're going to want to go ahead and we're going to join this again. We're going to join it back into our good friend. Sampled, no, not sampled authors. Mailing list posts and box. Yeah, okay, so. And so we go ahead, we do a join. We're joining it with this. Our join condition is going to be where someone is replying to that person, because we want to see like what pronouns folks are using when they're replying to different people, so we can infer what the perceived gender of people is. So that gives us that. And our join condition here is going to, let's go ahead and do it this way. Dot message ID equals post by okay, posts with replies. We're gonna give this a different name, are we? Self-joins are a little weird and we can quickly do bad things with them, so I'm gonna think about it for a few minutes, I think. Am I? Maybe. Got a message ID. Wait, why is the message ID not? Okay, it is. In reply to. There we go. Message ID should not be null. Although everything's just nullable in here. We'll deal with that later. Okay. Insert cell below. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Not so happy. Detected Cartesian product for inner join between logical plans. Yeah, okay. There's a way to tell it that I actually really do want to do the Cartesian product. If well, is it quite the Cartesian project? It's not, though, is detected. Cartesian product. For inner join. Project name, and filter is not null. Project name, filter UDF, project name. Object, hash keys. Yeah. Use the cross join syntax. Wait, did I not? I did specify a join condition. Right. Yeah, okay, so okay. Cross Pi Spark cross join. I love you. Thanks for streaming. Yay! Thanks, TensorFlow Pony. So we need to do a cross join, and this is because I'm joining a data frame back to itself, which normally will do really bad things. I don't think it will this time. It's really easy to make your data blow up doing a cross join. Okay. Def cross join. Self other. Okay. That's not. I don't want to do that exactly. Ooh. Magic computer. Why is it? I don't. This is not exactly what I want. Why is this claiming that I'm doing a cross join? I don't think I am, unless I screwed something up here. Okay, I'm joining this. Swap this condition around. Wait, what? Okay. Join condition is missing or trivial. Like, the join condition should not be missing or trivial. It's there. Why is this not so happy? Why is this not so happy? Oh wait, no, this isn't. Okay, wait. Oh, my brain is a little tired. This is not quite what I want. I want the mailing. Yeah, okay. Insert cell above. Okay. Mailing list posts in reply to dot filter okay, yes. I go ahead, filter out all of the ones where in reply to is not null. Insert cell below. more information than I really need. That's okay. Yeah. So that looks reasonable. That's what I want. This is probably still gonna yell at me for doing a self-drawing. Inner join between. What are the join types? Yeah, I want an inner join. I don't want quite to do a cross join. Why want it? Okay, let's look up Spark data frame self joins. It's been too long. Data frame self joins. Like I don't. I don't want to do the Cartesian product. I could select just the parts that I want and then do the filter, but this is annoying. Slightly confused. Maybe if I give it not a join expression. Oh no. Let's give it different names. Oh yeah, that could be it. Although I don't know. Dot as Is it as or is it alias? Alias. Yeah, okay. Alias. Replies. No, still not happy. The one above. Like this has no soft join in it. That's weird. I smell burning outside the window. I guess probably the wildfires. Okay, so that's running just fine. Why is it detecting that there's no join condition or that it's trivial? Like this is join inner. Oh. Wait, what the It's defined. What the? Oh. What does it think I'm doing? Why is it not seeing this? This is weird. Oops. The join condition is defined, and it shouldn't be a trivial join condition. Like in reply to and message ID are both strings. This is not a trivial join condition. Why the fuck? Is trivial or missing? Wait, am I just making those words up. Okay, let's scroll down. Drawing condition is missing or trivial. Interesting. Don't want to do this. But it's tempting. Like, this shouldn't be being detected as a Cartesian joint, I don't think. It's also possible that these are different columns. Maybe. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Damn it. Okay. Let's go ahead and give some of these data frames names. Okay. Alias. Okay. Posts by author. Dot. Okay. Alias posts by sampled authors. Dot alias posts mailing list posts and reply to. Yes, because what's happening is it's getting their column name and it's passing that around, I think. So we're gonna go ahead, change this, and then maybe fudge. Still not particularly happy. Oh wait, no, this is now has a name. Now has a name. What's this column name? Let's go ahead. It's given. Yeah, let's just, yeah. Let's try giving. it's called, it's like we're looking for in reply to, right, and then f.call. If this fixes it, I'm going to be annoyed with myself. Okay, it looks like it doesn't. Message ID. Okay, posts by sampled authors. Okay. Given input column. Oh, that's called this. Okay, switch this. Okay. Go ahead and do that. The other option that I could have done to resolve this, possibly, yeah, okay, there we go. Oh, fuck. You know, this would be an excellent place to... actually, yeah, you know what? This is kind of an annoying bug in PySpark. Or Spark, depending on how we look at it, that we can consider fixing. It might break some things though, so it probably needs to be fixed in Spark 3. But let's go ahead and file this issue while it's still fresh in my memory from annoying the shit out of me while I'm working on it. So what annoyed me about this and what our solution was is that it was saying this join condition is trivial even though I was using the data frame name dot the column, and I assumed that would refer to that column on that data frame. However, since both of these data frames have the same columns present because they have this shared lineage and we were joining on one of those shared columns, because it wasn't actually resolving to the fully qualified column name, it was just doing really annoying shit. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to put this in the to-do list. I'm going to try and find it. This could be a Spark 3 thing. I'm not super sure about if it should be Spark 3 or Spark 2. But I don't know. Regardless, I think we should fix it. So we're going to go ahead, data frame, column. I want to try and see if someone else has put this in there. Oh, yeah. So let's start with searching for some similar issues. And then if there are no instances of this, I mean, there's going to be a bunch. Data frame column alias. Okay. Quasi-related. There. No, not quite what I want. this is okay. Maybe this one? Yep. Okay. It looks like it's not filed, so we're going to go ahead and make this issue ourselves. And then someone else can maybe fix it, or I can fix it if I got some time. Apache Spark SQL 2.4. Data frame.column. Let's go ahead actually check how this behaves in data set. Data set dot scala def columns. So it resolves immediately inside of here. Over here, if we look dot def call. Okay. Yeah, okay. Data frame.column name should take into account data frame alias for future. Hey girl, I'm live streaming. Should I stop it?
No, I'm gonna shower really
okay.
quick. I'll get the puppy.
Cool. My wife is off to get us a dog!
Should I bring him back here?
Maybe. Wait, are you... I don't know. Do you want to bring... Okay, I'll finish filing this Jira issue really quickly. First, we're going to talk about the dog. So, option 1, you bring me a puppy. Option 2, you don't bring me a puppy.
And you come over to Cats and we go hang out there. I can bring you a puppy, or I can pick you up and we can hang out at the puppy's house with all of his toys. I'll go bring you a puppy.
I can do either. What do you want to do, actually? I'm seriously down for either.
If you can get the tiny biteable things off the floor, or help me do it when I get back.
What's tiny?
Like the phones and the camera and the slippers.
Wait, there's a camera?
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
I don't have as much time as I thought, so I'm going to go
Okay.
pick him up.
You go. Text me if you want me to join you. If not, I can help prepare the house for the puppy, and I can do more live streaming later.
If I bring him back, then I don't have to shower now.
Okay. Good luck. Tell Grandma I Oh, wait, no, you're bringing Grandma back. Okay. So I'm going to have a puppy soon. But that also means that I'm probably going to file this bug, save that join result out, and finish up real quickly, produce a CSV file that I'm going to use for some stuff, and go from there. And that'll be it for today. But that's good, because honestly, I don't normally actually stream for this long. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's finish up this issue really quickly. If we join a data frame with another data frame, which has the same column name of the conditions, e.g. Shared lineage on one of the conditions, even though the join condition may be written with the full name, the column returned will results in a we're gonna downgrade this from that to minor. Results the columns returned don't have the data frame alias, and as such will create a cross join for example, do we're gonna go ahead and code for example, this works. This currently works, but a similarly written expression even if, oops, contain, even if, and contain both. Sorry, I'm got distracted with writing this bug report, but I think when I encounter bugs while I'm working on like simple-ish tasks, it's really useful to file the bug report because it's easy for me to forget them because my brain isn't great at remembering those details. Contain both in reply to and message ID fields will fail. We could fix this by changing it so that dataframe.column in Apache Spark returns the fully qualified column reference. If the data frame has an alias. This might, this would result in behavior a little closer to, Scala, I think. Let's would this result in behavior that's closer to Scala or not? Let's not say that. I'm not, my memory about the Scala behavior is a little off. So we're gonna go ahead, create that issue, and yeah, cool. And jump back into work. Yay, software. Okay, cool. Okay. So we are gonna do post.reply dot filter okay, dot select. So we're just gonna pull out the parts that we care about, which is the author. I think we want the author. Yeah. author, and let's get the timestamp on that as well, because probably more recent emails might be more interesting, especially if someone like me has changed the pronouns that they use over time. We want the project name for sure. Dot project name. Okay. And we want the body, but there's two bodies, so that's going to be annoying. Okay. Or there could be two bodies. Okay. Author maybe is capital. Oh wait, no. Author isn't the one that I want. Is it? Is it? Project name. So we actually want the new unique ID, which is what our sampled authors are saved by. So we're gonna, there we go. Okay. Timestamp is ambiguous. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna narrow this down. Posts by sampled authors. We're gonna go ahead, go up here, and we're gonna okay. We're going to put a select statement inside of here because we only really care about a few things. We care about the message ID, and we care about the project name, and one more, new unique ID. Oh, actually, let's go ahead. Whatever. Oh, damn it, the indentation is off. Oh, wait. What? Wait. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Why is it unhappy? Project name is ambiguous. Huh. Yeah. Oh. Well, I guess we actually don't need the project name anyways, because they both reference project name. Ugh, God damn it. Cool. Yeah. We don't need this to be the kind of weird written statement that we have here anymore. So we're going to go ahead and simplify this back down because it's easier to read. Or I prefer this expression. I prefer writing my expressions like this rather than the full f.call. Okay. Mailing list posts. In reply to 5939. God damn it. Okay. Okay, we don't need the project name here. We just need that. Okay. Why is this being so annoying? Oh, damn it. Okay. Let's fix this. Fix that. Okay, fix that. Fix that. Does this fail? Yeah, okay. Why is this not happy? Call. Right. This does give me a call. I don't. Yeah. So I'm not sure why the resolution is not working the way I wanted it to. Fixing this is not super sure what's going on inside of the resolution. That's causing it to get confused. Not, yeah. Data frame.column name. I'm gonna update this. Should resolve to a distinct ref. Yeah. So it does go down the resolution path here, which which is what I expect. And that's what's happening over here. But I don't know why this is being so annoying here. Ugh. Sometimes software just makes me frustrated. Oh, fuck. Timestamp is not unique. Damn it. Okay. I do want the timestamp information though. So let's make it so that this is unique. So the mailing list posts. There's no timestamp here in this one, which means that the original. Well, okay. What happens if I do? Okay, so that's totally valid. Post with replies. Post by sample authors. Posts by sampled authors. Post by sampled authors. Dot join. What the? How is this? How is timestamp no longer? I did. Okay, whatever. I clearly need more coffee. Posts by in response to user. Dot group by. Okay, data frame. Def group by. Or yeah, order. Okay, so we're gonna order this by the timestamp. Order by. Okay, actually, no. Let's go ahead and make this separate. Yeah. Okay. Insert cell below. Post in response to user. Grouped. Order by. Dot timestamp. Dot group by. Unique ID. Probably can't spell for shit because I'm pretty tired. Cool. Insert cell below. Dot ag f dot functions. Oh, actually, yeah. So the other one, the thing that I wanted to do here is filter them for things that contain pronouns. Okay, so let's go ahead, insert cell below, common pronouns. Equal to they, the, he, she, her, his, their, common pronouns. Okay, 25 most common pronouns in English. Themselves. Gender neutral pronouns. I want to make sure that I get C and Z's conjugations in there. Okay. Yeah, let's go take a look at this. Maybe there will be something in here. Just whatever. This is a start. Can roll with that. Insert cell below. With pronouns. Dot filter. I could tokenize this. I'm kind of lazy though. Oh, okay, cool. That's probably the dog. I'm gonna wrap up today's live stream. We'll finish this tomorrow. Thank you all for joining me. Or actually, maybe I'll leave the live stream on while the dog comes in, but I'm gonna put some shit away. Hey, Gromit. Hey. Oh, you got a haircut.
Yeah, he's so tiny.
Yeah.
He's so little.
Ah, Gromit is so little.
Yeah,
He's so little. Oh no, Gromit's running to my room. Hey, Gromit. Hey. Do you want to say hi to people on the internet? Because there's a dog here. Oh, well. No, that was beer. Ah. Okay. I think it's safe to say that computer time is over for a little while. I'll catch you all later. Oh wait, does Gromit, do you want to come say hi? Gromit, come on. Here. Look. Gromit does not give a fuck about computers. Okay, that's a dog. It's a dog. You can see my wife. And there's a dog. Oh, the dog likes the smell of our coffee stuff.
We're between trips.
Honey.
We're always between trips. It's not a lie.
Yeah, okay. Anyways, thank you all for joining me. I'll get this stuff finished later on tonight. Or tomorrow. I'm going to do one of my regular code reviews this Friday. I'm going to try and travel a little less and do a lot more live coding. Thank you all for joining me. I hope to see you around. Oh, you found your toy! Anyways, yeah, no, thanks for joining me. I'll catch you all on the flip side.